As the colder months approach, I find myself searching for effective ways to keep my space warm and cozy. Recently, I had the opportunity to test the Dreo Space Heater, and I must say, it has made quite an impression on me. This review will cover various aspects of the heater, including its design, function, performance, safety features, technical specifications, and my overall experience using it in different settings. Design. One of the first things that struck me about the Dreo Space Heater was its sleek and modern design. Unlike many bulky heaters that can clash with home decor, this model boasts a slim profile that seamlessly fits into any room. Measuring just 5.9 inches in depth and width and standing at 5.8 inches tall, it can easily be placed on a tabletop or tucked into a corner without taking up too much space. The aesthetic appeal is enhanced by its minimalist color scheme of black and silver, giving it a contemporary look that I appreciate. The matte finish not only looks good, but also resists fingerprints and dust accumulation, which is a plus for maintaining its appearance. Moreover, the compact size makes it lightweight at only 4.63 pounds, allowing for easy portability from room to room. Whether it's in my home office or living room, the Dreo heater blends in effortlessly. The design also includes a built-in handle at the back, making it even easier to carry around. Function. Functionality is where the Dreo heater truly shines. It operates with a range of power settings: H1 900 watts, H2 1100 watts, and H3 1500 watts. Additionally, there's an eco mode that optimizes energy consumption based on the ambient temperature. This feature has been particularly useful for me. I can set my desired temperature, and the heater automatically adjusts its output to maintain it efficiently. The controls are intuitive and conveniently located on the top of the unit. There's a digital display that shows the current temperature setting, making it easy to monitor changes. The oscillation feature is another highlight. It rotates 70 degrees to distribute heat evenly across a wider area rather than just focusing on one spot. The remote control that comes with the heater is another great addition. It allows me to adjust settings from across the room without having to get up constantly. This is especially handy when I'm wrapped up in a blanket on chilly evenings. The remote includes buttons for all major functions: power on/off, temperature adjustments, mode selection, eco or high heat, and timer settings. Performance. In terms of performance, the Dreo Space Heater has exceeded my expectations. I live in a modestly sized apartment with an open floor plan, and I was initially concerned about whether this compact unit would be powerful enough to heat my space effectively. To my surprise, it warms up my home office roughly 200 square feet within minutes. On particularly cold days when temperatures dip below freezing outside, I typically set the heater to H3 mode at around 78 degrees Fahrenheit. The difference is palpable even when I open doors or windows briefly. The heater quickly compensates for any lost warmth. The fan speed is adjustable as well. I often use the higher setting when I need quick warmth, but switch to lower speeds for more sustained heating over time. This versatility allows me to customize my heating experience based on immediate needs. Moreover, one of my favorite features is how quiet it operates. Utilizing oblique technology, it produces warm air with significantly reduced noise levels compared to other heaters I've used in the past. This quiet operation allows me to concentrate on work or relax without distraction. Safety features. Safety is always a concern when using electrical appliances, especially heaters. The Dreo Space Heater has several built-in safety features that provide peace of mind during use. Firstly, it remains cool to the touch even when operating at higher temperatures, which eliminates any risk of burns. Additionally, there's a tip-over sensor that automatically shuts off the unit if it gets knocked over, a crucial feature for households with pets or children. The heater also includes overheat protection. If internal temperatures rise too high, it will turn off automatically to prevent potential hazards. Another safety feature worth mentioning is its flame-resistant materials used throughout the construction of the heater. This adds an extra layer of security against fire hazards. I appreciate these safety measures as they allow me to use the heater without constant worry about accidents or overheating. Technical aspects. Delving into some technical specifications, the Dreo Space Heater operates efficiently with a DC motor and features a 9-blade fan for optimal airflow. The temperature range is adjustable between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, catering to various heating preferences throughout different seasons. The unit also includes a timer function that can be set for up to 12 hours, perfect for those who want to preheat their space before returning home or need it to run for a specific period while sleeping. The energy-efficient design means that even when running at maximum output, 1500 watts, it doesn't significantly spike my electricity bill compared to other heaters I've owned in the past. Another technical aspect that impressed me was its compliance with various safety certifications such as ETL and UL standards. These certifications indicate that the product has undergone rigorous testing for safety and performance. User experience. My overall experience using the Dreo Space Heater has been overwhelmingly positive. Setting it up was straightforward. I simply plugged it in and adjusted my preferred settings using either the control panel or remote control. I've used it in various scenarios, from working long hours in my home office during chilly mornings to warming up my bedroom before sleep, and each time it performed admirably. One evening, while hosting friends for a movie night during an unusually cold spell, I set up the Dreo heater in our living room. Everyone was impressed by how quickly it heated up our larger space without feeling stuffy or overwhelming. The oscillation feature ensured everyone felt comfortable no matter where they were seated. I've also noticed how energy efficient this heater is compared to others I've used before. I've been able to keep my electric bill manageable despite frequent use during peak winter months. So, should you buy it? In summary, after several weeks of using the Dreo Space Heater in various settings, from my office during work hours to cozy evenings in front of the TV, I can confidently say it's one of the best heating solutions I've encountered. The combination of stylish design, efficient functionality, impressive performance, robust safety features, thoughtful technical specifications, and an overall user-friendly experience makes this heater stand out in a crowded market. Whether you're looking for something compact for personal use or an effective way to warm up larger spaces without sacrificing style or safety, I highly recommend considering the Dreo Space Heater as your go-to option this winter season. As we brace ourselves for colder days ahead, having reliable heating equipment like this can make all the difference in creating a comfortable living environment, one where you can truly relax and enjoy your time indoors despite what's happening outside.